I will show you how to create a Steam account. First, open your web browser. Type Steam in the search field. Then click on this website. Click Login at the top. If you don't have an account yet, scroll down and search for Create an Account. Write the email you have. Check the I am human and other rules section, then click Continue. Check the email that you registered. Later, there will be an inbox regarding Verify your email. Click on the message. Press Verify my email address. After finished, go back to the previous page. Specify your account name and password. After that, click Done. Congratulations, you have successfully registered a Steam account.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.